Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are going to make something interesting today, and I'm so excited to try this. We're gonna make ribs, but with a twist. The ribs is gonna be made with apple pie filling. Never made this before. I've heard about it. I've seen some stuff about it. I read about it. Never have I ever tried it, but today's the day. We're gonna make apple pie filling ribs. Now, I'm gonna show you guys the process, how it's gonna be made. I'm gonna make my own twist to it because you know what? I like to modify things all the time. So let's do this, guys. Let's do this. All right, so let's get this ribs cleaned up a little bit. So I'm gonna trim off the fat here because we don't need this much fat on a rib anyways. All right, and you know, most of these have a membrane on here, so we're gonna remove the membrane. So you're gonna get your thumb, and you're gonna kind of squeeze your thumb through on the rib to see if you could get under that membrane. This is the most annoying part of this thing. So as you can see, and this membrane is pretty thick. So you're gonna grab it, and you're just gonna go like that. And there's a part right there that kind of got messed up. So and if you get this part like that, grab yourself a paper towel so you can grab the membrane. And once you grab it, just start pulling on it. All right, so we got that. We're gonna finish trimming this down a little bit. We're gonna take this fat out right here. So make sure it's squared, clean cut. So this one looks good. Let's do the other one. So one thing I'm not gonna do today is I am not gonna put a binder on this, all right? I'm gonna put the seasoning on the ribs, and I'm gonna let it soak in for about an hour before I put it in the smoker. So first you wanna start off from the back. And this is my own mix. This is my own secret rub, which I happen to really like. It does have brown sugar in it and a secret ingredient which makes this taste really good. I use this on everything: chicken, pork, beef, when I'm smoking wings. It truly has become one of the really good rubs that I've been working on for years and years and years, and it has not disappointed me. So everybody has their own preference. This is mine. All right, we're gonna have this sit for an hour, and we're gonna put it in the smoker. Stay tuned. we are at the hour mark. Still a little wet, but not working as well as I wanted to, but doing the job. We're gonna go for another hour. Okay, we are on hour 2. Oh yeah, now the rub is pretty dry. So we're gonna spray it again. And then we're gonna come back and wrap it. Alright guys, so we're gonna wrap this now. I'm gonna put parchment paper or butcher paper and aluminum. I'm gonna put these down like this. And then remember the apple pie filling? We're gonna put some of that in here.
Yummy. Can I go inside and make stickers? Dem.
Stickers? Do you have sticker paper?
And I'm gonna use half a stick of butter.
Sticker cutter?
No, we use scissors, bro.
Wait, Baba, what'd you say? We have sticker cutters?
No, bro, we can make stickers.
Can you stop it?
Bro, you
So
were.
you guys can go make stickers.
I know, I'm just asking Baba, like, do we have sticker paper?
I don't know. No.
Wait, before that, let me, like, put it.
Alright, the first rib is gonna go on here. Gonna go face down.
Baba, look. You're heavy.
Now we're gonna wrap it. Like so. And this will go in face down as well. Now we're gonna do the second one.
Wait, bend out on my shoulder.
Alright guys, it's time to unwrap this thing. Let's see how these came out. gonna hit them with the barbecue sauce. And we're gonna let it go for another hour.
Debbie, is this your drink?
Yeah. I'm also sick, so.
Bubba, can I make some honey tea?
Not right now. Let's do the taste test first. Okay. Put the cup away. Stand right here.
Ooh, that looks good.
Alright guys, the apple pie filling taste test.
That's really good.
10 out of 10.
Let's put some.
For me, the rating isn't even close.
Yeah.
Mayo.
That's apple pie barbecue sauce.
Put some apple pie barbecue sauce.
It tastes a lot better with the.
No, I don't like it. The barbecue sauce.
That's what's on there. Just cooked.
It tastes a bit bolder with the barbecue sauce.
This has been one of the best barbecue sauces I've tasted so far. So, it's a success.
I'd rather have the barbecue sauce cooked.
Okay.
The
Dude, this is good. Oh. I've never eaten rib like this before. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, guys.
Subscribe!
This is the best barbecue sauce ever. Definitely worth it. Peace out.